My name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find trending influencers that you can work with for your business or your service or your brand, right? It's super simple. I'm so shocked that not enough people are doing this, and it works so well, and it saves you time from having to search for influencers to see, oh yeah, is this influencer gonna help me go viral or help my brand go viral? Are they gonna be good? Are they gonna help me get views and stuff like that? You ain't gotta worry about any of that, right? I'm gonna show you step by step how to find trending influencers so you can work with them immediately, right? But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find trending influencers. A lot of people make the mistake of working with influencers because it's like, oh yeah, this influencer's got a huge following, or they've got a video that's gone viral, or any. Nah, this is how you actually work with trending influencers. I'm going to show you. So, as you can see here, this is the ads manager. And then what you want to do, you want to click on all tools right here. And then you want to go to Creator Marketplace. So Creator Marketplace is where the magic happens. So this is pretty much the hub, the creator, the influencer marketing, UGC creator hub, anything to do with that, this is where it is. This is where you're going to be able to do all your good stuff, right? So, as you can see, we've got this creator marketplace. It's got a whole bunch of different creators, in different niches, different size of creators, different engagement levels, and I'm sure different budgets, especially if you reach out to them. And how to find trending influencers is so straightforward. I'm so surprised that not enough people are doing it. So all you got to do is go to trends right here. So you got discover, you got lists, you got campaigns, you got trends. All you got to do is go to trends right here. And then as you can see, now we've clicked on trends, we can see all these are the trending topics right now. So in the past 24 hours, these are the trends right now. Doomsday, halftime show. These are all the trends right now. And then you can see the amount of reels that have been going out on the platform, on the Instagram platform, that is in relation to the trending topic. And the great thing is that you can see the popularity. You can see how popular a certain trend is, if it's increasing or if it's decreasing or becoming less trendy, right? And right here, you can see the related reels to the trending topic. And the great thing about this is that you can look at the past 24 hours, you can look at the past 7 days, you can look at even up to the past 30 days, which is awesome. So you can really get a real feel in the past 30 days what were the real trend, because you have to remember that trends in terms of how long they last are very different. Some trends last a day, some trends last 24 hours, some trends last 7 days, some trends last for a lot longer than 7 days, 30 days, 2 months, 3 months, right? So you want to look at the trends that have a higher percentage of popularity. Like for example, you got this one, it's gone up by 3%, right? You've got this one, it's gone up by 100%, but that's in the past 30 days. So you want to have a play about the timelines to see which trends are more powerful and in line with what you're looking for. In addition, as well, you could take it a step further by looking at trends within your niche. So if you sell pet products, you can click on animals and pets, and you can look for trends within Instagram that is within the animal niche or within the pet niche. Same with books, same with literature, right? you can pretty much just essentially look at what trends matter the most to whatever niche that you're in. Now, once you've identified a specific niche or a trend, right? Say, for example, we've got this one right here, which is increased by over 1000%, and you want to find trending influencers. All you got to do is click on the actual trend topic, and this screen is going to pop out that shows the number of reels, the views, the interactions, and all that good stuff. And it shows the popularity, right? And then if we scroll down, we're going to be shown the top reels and we're going to be shown the top creators within this trend. So by reaching out to these creators or these influencers, you will be essentially riding off of the trend that is of this topic, right? So that's how you could, because really it's about leveraging trends, especially if you're trying to get more reach, more awareness for a lot cheaper and to do it a lot quicker, right? You can pretty much ride off of these influencers that are in line with this current trending topic. Another thing is that you can actually go to these top reels and actually check out who the creators behind these top reels are. And then you could also reach out to them and say, "Hey, I would love to work with you." And they now you've got another batch of trending influencers that you can work with, and you could do it by the past 24 hours, past 7 days, 30 days. It's the same thing. You can literally go into the topic, and then you're gonna see more analytics, and then you just go down and you can literally find these trending influencers right here, and you could literally reach out to them and work with them. It's amazing. I'm really surprised that not enough brands are doing this. And the great thing is that it shows you their strengths. Like this creator right here, they do strong hooks. This creator right here, strong hooks, engaging reels, partnership ads, strong hooks. So depending on what you're looking for, if you're looking for partnership ads, if you're looking for a creator that does strong hooks, if you're looking for a creator that makes engaging reels, you can literally look for that right here based on the trending topic. So it actually saves you time having to look through so many influencers to find, oh, is this influencer gonna work? Is this influencer's video gonna go viral? You actually give yourself a better chance by actually doing it this way, right? So I wanted to show you that, guys. Guys, another thing as well that I wanted to mention is that I have done an influencer blueprint ebook that basically shows you step by step how to use influencers and work with influencers more effectively. Too many people make the mistake of just, oh yeah, I'm just gonna just work with any influencer and I'm gonna make millions of dollars in sales. It doesn't work like that. There's a system, there's a blueprint that needs to be followed in order for it to work properly and to work properly for your brand or service. And you can check that out. Just click the link in the description and you can have access to that. Another thing as well is that I do one-to-one lessons and consultations for people who are running meta ads. So you just click the link in the description. You can check out my reviews. I've helped so many businesses. I've helped so many businesses with their ads, and I'll love to help your business as well. So guys, as you know, I'll be back again with another video to help you with your marketing and your business. Take care, guys.